Hi YouTube, it's Rebecca. So hi, I'm excited. Sorry that I missed doing this video yesterday because I know I said I would do it on Thursdays. And it is Friday, well technically Saturday morning at 1:46 a.m. It is it has been a crazy week. um, a lot of things going on. A lot of family came down, so it's been just like if my family is very food orientated. Make any sense? Um, and we come together, people come together for family, like, oh, and then there's food. No, we come together for food and then family's there. I'm joking, but it's kind of serious. Anyway, so this week I did weigh myself on Thursday. I'm sorry that I didn't do a video, like I said, but I did weigh myself. And last week I believe it was 217.6, if I'm not mistaken. And this week I am 216 even. So that's a 1.6 pound weight loss. And I'm happy with it because, like I said, I haven't been, um, I've been around family and food. But I've been really good. You know, I didn't go overboard, didn't get crazy, and I did eat some Reese's. Those little, the new mini ones. My nephew came and he had these mini ones, and I'm like, oh, I love Reese's. You know, the guy that invented peanut butter and then chocolate and put it together, the Reese's man is awesome. So Reese's are obviously my weakness, and then they put it in mini form, and it's like, what? They're like Tic Tacs. I could pop them all day. So I had probably a pack of those. No, he ate like half the pack, so I had like half. And I felt like I was mad at myself. But it's okay, you know? Fix this. And please excuse my hair because for some reason the bangs are going out and this thing doesn't know where it wants to be. The little bang. It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna talk about my bangs. So 1.6 pound weight loss and I'm excited. I'm gonna make this brief, because I have to run my audit. My pre-audit. But anyway, I did want to shout out some people because I caught up in your videos and I watched them, and I want to say that everyone this week has lost. You've done so great. I'm like super excited, and I tried to comment on all you guys' videos, and if I didn't, I'm so sorry. But I know I liked them. I definitely liked them. Um, but Christina Angelina is doing so well, so I wanted to call her out. And I'm going to put all these links in the bottom here so you guys can go check them out. She's doing so good. She had a loss. I don't remember exactly how much she lost, but I know that she had a loss, and her hair looks amazing. So, Kristen, your hair looks great. I love it. Um, Amy Michelle Free, I look forward to your videos. I love to watch them. You are looking so great. When you stood up and you showed, even the table was high, but I saw it. You're looking great. You're looking sensational. I love it. Um, Shellers 2016 or 2016, you're doing awesome. Like I seriously, when I log on or if I feel like I want to just eat a bunch of crap or just give up, I watch your videos. You are so inspirational. I love them. I love you're motivated, you're positive, and I love it. Thank you for all the feedback you've ever given me. Thank you for what you're going to give me in the future. And great loss. And I'm so proud of the 30-pound mark, and you're doing so great. Um, I was excited. I was so excited when I saw. Um, My Shell 988, I think. Um, I absolutely go check her out. She's great. I mean, she is doing it. She is awesome. But she really motivates me. And she talked about shakes, I think, this video, and I love shakes. So we're good there. And she's doing so good, and she looks great. And your measurements, congratulations on 2 inches. Okay, that is awesome. That is out of this world. 2 inches off your waist. I love that. Um, in 2 weeks. It's great. And I know you said something like if you could push it, you could be, I believe you said, doing in the one somethings. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I mean, I was paying attention, but I don't remember. And I believe you can too. So if you push it, I know you can do it. And I know you can do it if you don't push it because you're doing excellent. And then losing it for good. She had, the first time she put her pictures, I don't know how to do it, so I commend you. You did great. And I saw your pictures, and I have to say, I just wanted to say, I know I wrote on your thing, but you were beautiful then, and I can tell you were thin. I can tell you're using that as your marker of where to get back to, which is great, because everyone needs the visual motivation, because aesthetics is important in this journey. But you were beautiful then. You were beautiful. I think that your lifestyle was beautiful when you adopted those kids. They're beautiful, and you're beautiful now. In your videos, your beauty definitely shines through, and you're beautiful inside and out. So thanks for sharing. I love to follow along with you guys. Um, I'm sorry if you're like, oh, don't shout me out, and I put your links. Just let me know if you don't want me to put your links there or whatever, and I will stop. But like, I I keep up with you guys the most, and then Weight Loss for Dudes, I really keep up with him too. I keep up with you guys the most because you've encouraged me at least once and more than once. Um, I Lose, I Shrink is another one that I keep up with. She's doing awesome too. You guys encouraged me. You've been with me. I feel like family with you guys, like YouTube family. Um, and I know even when I don't lose, you're right there with like encouraging words, and I love it. It's awesome, and I think this was like the best decision I made to start doing YouTube videos. And I was scared, and I just want to thank you guys for welcoming me into the YouTube community the way you guys have, and encouraging me. My half of my family doesn't encourage me, and strangers do. So, but you guys aren't strangers, like my YouTube family. So, thank you. I'm gonna put, if you're watching this and I didn't call your name and you know I subbed to you, I probably didn't get to watching the video because I'm behind. um, but I'm gonna put all of their screen names in the link. Please go check them out. They're doing so good. Subscribe, egg them on, be their cheerleaders. They'll do the same for you. They're great. Okay, so I made it like almost 6 minutes, no, 7 minutes, and I'm sorry. But I just wanted to, like, I'm so excited for you guys, and I'm excited for my 1.6. So I'm going to update my weight, and I'll see you guys next week. Okay, so bye YouTube, and keep up the great loss, guys, and keep up the enthusiasm. You guys are doing so great.